Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Caravelle by Bulova quartz watch. In this case, we are going to use an AG4 battery, so the 377 battery. You can also find it under the name of LR66 or LR626. Now this is going to be the most common watch battery used out there. So if you plan on replacing more watch batteries on your watches, you should definitely have a few in stock. I will leave a link in the description below. Also, as you can see on the table, I have a pair of tweezers, I have a back case opener, so a watch knife, and also a watch press in order to press down the back of the watch after I have replaced the watch battery. Now there are a lot of snap-off backs that you cannot press them down using only your fingers, so make sure to order all of these tools, so basic watchmaker tools, in order to be able to properly replace the watch batteries, adjust your bracelets, replace your watch straps and bracelets, so to actually begin to work on your watches. Now I'm going to take the back case opener, so the watch knife, and I'm going to turn the watch on the other side, and what you want to do is to search on the watch and to see on the back of the watch a small opening, so a small groove, as you can see right here, where you could actually place your back case opener in order to lift up the back of the watch, so in order to remove the snap-off back. Now you are going to then go at an angle, so a small angle to go underneath, and what you want to do is to go press and then use the watch case, so the case of the watch, as a lever in order to have a point of pressure and to push the back of the watch towards yourself. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Make sure to take your time, especially if you are in the beginning, because you can easily scratch the back of the watch, you can cut yourself, so make sure to take your time. Just like that, you are going to hear a small snap, and that means that the watch case has been removed. Now we are going to take the new watch battery and place it inside the watch. So this is a basic quartz watch. We are going to place it like this, as you can see, right this way, and I'm going to push it and it is going to go inside, just like that. Now if I flip the watch, we can actually check whether the watch is ticking or not. In this case it is ticking, meaning that everything was done properly. Now when you open the watches, usually you are going to find the old watch batteries inside. So what you want to do is to take your pair of tweezers, and as you can see right here, you have a small opening where you can actually place one tip of the tweezers in order to remove the watch battery. So you are going to take your time in order to push it outwards. Now a very important thing is to not touch anything else on the back of the watch, because these movements sometimes can be very fragile and you can damage the movements if you let's say damage the coil or maybe something around the battery. So make sure to take your time, especially if you are in the beginning. Now I'm going to place the watch battery once again inside, and I'm going to show you the fact that you can actually read on the back of the watch battery what type of watch battery it is. So in this case, as you can see, we have the LR626. Now 377 and AG4 are going to be the most common names that you are going to find them when it comes to this type of battery, but you can search them online for the other names as well. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to all of these once again in order to be able to order them, so to order the proper tools and the watch battery. Now when it comes to the back of the watch, as you can see, it has a small groove right here, and that is going to be placed right where the stem, so the watch crown, is placed. So I'm going to flip it in order to align them properly, just like that. As I mentioned, you can either press the watch back by yourself, so using your two thumbs, or in some cases, or a lot of cases, you are going to need the watch press in order to place the watch onto a secure surface so that you do not damage the watch crystal, and then you are going to use the other end in order to apply pressure on the back of the watch. You are going to hear a small click, and that usually means that the back of the watch is in its initial position, so it is now pressed all the way down. Make sure once again to take your time because you do not want to break the watch crystal, scratch the case, and so on. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to replace the watch battery on your Caravelle by Bulova using the AG4, so the 377 watch battery. Now if you have a different type of battery or movement, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I am going to upload a lot more tutorials depending on different types of watch batteries, so make sure to check them out. Now also, if you enjoyed this type of content about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. I'm going to see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, and all the best until next time, guys.